Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a plan with me for the month of February. So I wanted to start off by switching out the cover. One thing I love about the Erin Condren Life Planners is that you can purchase interchangeable covers and always switch it up every month. So for this month, I am using the XO cover, which is very appropriate for Valentine's Day. I think it's super cute. And I love the customization, like the name, because it's like rounded around the O, and I think that looks really cool. I haven't really seen another cover that has like the name curved, like pretty uniquely like that. So that's why I really like this cover. So yeah, there's our cover. So now going into the planner, here's what my monthly page for January looked like. Didn't like it. And then here was last week. I did a rainbow spread, but I'm gonna try something different. I wanna do another rainbow spread this week, but I'm gonna be using stamps, and this is new from Erin Condren. And so I will leave that linked below, but you have these acrylic blocks and then the color wheel. I was definitely inspired by Plan with Lincoln. If you guys don't follow her on YouTube or Instagram, you definitely should. She did a post a few weeks ago, and it was like this beautiful rainbow post, and she used the hexagon washi, and I just thought it was so cute. So definitely the inspiration for today's spread. So I'm covering the dates here at the top with the washi because it doesn't really match the rainbow theme, so I wanted to hide that, and I am going to use stamps to add in the dates. So I'll show you guys how I do that here in a second. So in this spread, I'm going to be using all stamps. I mean, I have the washi here, so I'm using minimal like stickers and washi, but I'm like trying to keep it all stamps, which is very new. I haven't really played around with stamps too much, but I'm excited to test this out. So with the color wheel, I love that you can slide these little pieces out and grab each individual color. So I'm taking the Days and Numbers clear stamp sheet from Erin Condren in collaboration with Amy Tangerine, and I'm going to take each day of the week and stamp it in the rainbow spread. And the well-kept wipes from Erin Condren are definitely a must so that you can wipe off the stamp color and then place it back onto the clear plastic sheet that they come on. So I did Monday, and then I'm going to do Tuesday in orange. So far, it's actually really easy to use. You just want to make sure when you are stamping, you want to put even pressure on the stamp and don't like roll it back and forth. Just go straight down and apply even pressure, and it should turn out good. So Wednesday, I was a little bit nervous because it was going to be yellow and I wasn't sure if it was going to show up, but it actually did just fine. I really like how it turned out. And so I'm just going to speed this up and just finish off the days of the week here at the top. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is green, and then Friday is going to be a light blue color, which is really pretty. I love this one. And then Saturday is going to be a darker, like deep, true blue. Kind of looks purple on camera, but it's like a blue. And then Sunday is going to be purple. And so now we have the days of the week, but we don't know exactly what day it is. So I'm going to take the metallic date dots from Erin Condren, and I wish I could have put it next to the date, but I didn't feel like there was enough room, so I just put it on top of the washi underneath the day of the week. So now moving into the functional clear stamp sheet from Erin Condren in collaboration with Amy Tangerine, I'm going to take the square outline and I'm going to place those on the days where I have like church related things. So like my meeting, Bible study, and then church like Sunday service. So I'm going to just use those boxes and I'll fill that in later. Now from the oh my god, I'm making up words. From the same stamp sheet, I'm taking this cute little banner and I'm marking those at the top for the uploads that I have planned for the week. So obviously when I'm uploading this video, this week has already passed. So you guys probably saw I wasn't successful in uploading Monday through Friday like I had planned, but it's okay. It is a new week, so I'm going to try again. So you guys know I use an hourly planner here in my Erin Condren, but I don't really follow the hours necessarily. I just use it as a long to-do list. So I'm going to take from the functional clear stamp sheet, I'm going to take the to-do list boxes and I'm going to stamp those down in the middle, and I'm going to keep it pretty uniform and just have the little checklist box go all the way across. So the first time I tried to do a rainbow spread here in my planner, I was using stickers, and I actually found it so difficult and time consuming to find stickers that matched properly. So I feel like with stamping, doing a rainbow spread is so much easier because you have like you have like your color wheel of stamps, so you have all the colors and you can customize it however you want so that everything, like, you have all the colors you need for a rainbow spread. You know what I mean? I just feel like stamping makes it so much easier. So the next thing I'm doing here, I'm taking, I don't really know, I guess these like 2 arrows. I don't know what they're called, but they're these 2 like kind of wide looking arrows. And I'm going to place those on specific days where I have something planned because I'm going to write something underneath. So really the arrow is kind of just decoration. It's pointing to what I'm going to write, like the event that I have for those days. So that's all this is right here. I feel like that was like slightly stupid, kind of ugly, but we're just going to leave it. So now I'm going into the Quotes Clear Stamp Sheet, again from Erin Condren in collaboration with Amy Tangerine. I'm going to take this bigger one that says, "Be kind, dream big, work it, do what you love, smile." I just think it's a super cute quote and it's big enough to do kind of like this rainbow ombre to it. So I'm carefully taking each little pie color wheel slice and adding that onto the stamp. It's a little time consuming because I do go over and wipe it with my well-kept wipes from Erin Condren just to clean it up so that the colors are like clean and sharp and there's no like bleeding. I tried my best. It was a little tricky, but I think it turned out good. So I'm just going to place the stamps on there, and then this I'm putting on the upper left-hand corner. I always like to have a quote over here because I never really know what to do with this space here in the planner, so I just think a quote is the best thing to do. So I thought doing a rainbow quote was definitely appropriate for this week's spread. So now I'm just going to add a few additional stamps for decoration purposes. So I'm taking the little asterisk and I'm adding those to the boxes. I think it added a nice little flair to these simple outline boxes. I really like how that turned out. And fun little fact, so see how I kind of got a little bit of the stamp on the washi tape? I also did that up at the top with the Monday through Sunday stamps. So the little bit that got on the washi tape, I had to wipe off because it didn't stick. The stamps only stick to the paper, not the slippery washi. So just keep that in mind. They don't work on washi. And now I'm taking this stamp that says "Hello Weekend" and I'm putting that on Saturday. So just more decoration stamps. But I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. Again, I think doing a rainbow spread is so easy when you have stamps. So I definitely like that. Okay, now I think this might be the last stamping thing that I'm doing here in my planner, but I wanted to color in these, or like color outline these little dots over here on the side. So this is kind of like my weekly checklist that I do, and this totally wasn't necessary, but one at a time I went and did the colors like to match our rainbow spread, and I just thought it added a cute little touch. So literally everything on here is rainbow inspired, so I like how it turned out. So now I'm going to pull out my pens. These are all from Erin Condren, and I'm going to use pens that match each color, so that way I'm sticking with the rainbow spread. So the first time I did this, I like decorated with all the rainbow stuff, and then as far as like writing my weekly to-do list and all that kind of stuff, I used a black pen, and I just felt like it just didn't work in my opinion. It didn't look cute and rainbowy. So this week I am sticking with pens that match each color day. So, and I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm just filling in everything that I know. This is all like pre-planned stuff. So this is like what my week looks like right now, and then as I go on with my week, it's going to fill up because I fill in my planner every single day with my to-do list. And of course, I have a little giveaway here for you guys. So for the month of February, I wanted to give away some like February love type of stuff. So I think these are all super cute and I hope you guys like it. So first, let's start out with the designer, why did I say that word? Designer paper tape duo. It has the hearts and the hexagon, which I think are so, so cute. I'm obsessed with it. And then next we have the Share the Love Petite Planner. This is super awesome because it's basically a journal where you can write 50 things you love about someone. So I think it's a perfect gift to give to your loved one, or just a super special like memory keeper for someone you love. I think it's super cute and special. So next we have a hardbound lined notebook. So this sturdy little notebook has the beautiful hexagon style, which I'm obsessed with. I love the hexagons, and it's hardbound, so it's nice and sturdy. So you'll win that notebook. And then finally we have another petite planner. This is just a blank notebook. This is in collaboration with Amy Tangerine, so it has one of her really cute rainbow quotes and her little signature the bottom, but a blank journal, endless possibilities with that. So if you want to win this, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the secret code word, and I will pick a winner. Make sure you leave, like, in your comment either your Instagram username or your Twitter username, so that way I can slide into your DM if you win and contact you that way, because that's the easiest way for me to contact winners. So good luck to all of you that entered. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!